Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2007 Chevy HHR. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So first thing we need to do is hop in our car here, start the vehicle, and then you're going to turn your temperature all the way to the coldest setting, turn your blower speed on high, and turn your AC on. Now pop your hood. I'm using this AC Pro recharge hose. I really like this. I will have this linked down below where you can get this online. We are going to be using R134A refrigerant. So right here is our low pressure port. So we're going to take this cap off right here. And we're just going to take our connector here. Just going to push our connector and it's just going to click on. Just like that. Then we can look at our hose here. This is actually looking pretty good. We're sitting about 40 PSI. I'd like to see it a little closer to like 45 though. So we're gonna add a little bit here. If your system is really low, what's gonna happen here when you're looking at this gauge is the needle will be kind of like bobbing all around, or if it's really, really low, it'll be all the way down here like where it doesn't even turn the compressor on. But a lot of times if it's just low, you'll hear like a click sound and your needle will come back up, then you'll hear another click sound, your needle will draw back down, you'll hear a click, it'll move back and forth. But to fill your system, you're just going to squeeze the trigger like that. You'll notice your needle does not read pressure while you're adding refrigerant. So while we've got our trigger squeezed, we're just going to tip the can to 3 o'clock and then back up to 12 o'clock. Tip it to 3, back to 12. You're just going to keep repeating this, letting the compressor draw in that refrigerant. You just keep doing this as long as it takes to fill your system up. You don't really want to go by the number of ounces, you want to go by the gauge here. So you want this to be around 40 to 45 PSI. If your system is all the way empty, you can look at this sticker down here. Mine's too terrible to read, but usually these stickers here will tell you what kind of refrigerant to use, and usually it tells you how many ounces it takes to fill the system up. So that's all there is to recharging your system. Sometimes that can take 5 to 10 minutes depending on how low your system is. But to take this hose off here, you just lift the bottom here and it just pops right off, and you can put your cap back on here. Again, I will have all this stuff linked down in the description where you can get this online. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.